Hey guys, Vikas over here and you are watching WGLabz. Guys, today we'll see the latest release from Node-RED, that is the version 3.1. This comes with some exciting changes. In this video, we'll walk you through the latest enhancements that makes Node-RED even more user-friendly and efficient. So being said that, let's get started guys. First, there is a new notification dot in the tab section. This little dot alerts you whenever there is a change in your flow. It's a simple but effective way to make sure you don't miss any modifications. Once you have deployed your changes, the dot disappears. Node-RED 3.1 also introduces flow locking. This feature allows you to lock your flows, preventing accidental edits. To lock, you can use the context menu or you can use the padlock icon in the flow info page. To unlock a flow, you can use the right-click context menu. It's a great safeguard against unintended changes. In previous version, you could hide flows, but the hide icon was in the tab, leading to accidental hiding. In Node-RED 3.1, that icon has been removed. However, you can still hide flows easily from the info sidebar or right-click context menu. Interacting with items or nodes in a group is now simpler. Earlier, we had to click multiple times to select a node, but now nodes can be selected with one click. But with this now, you cannot drag your group by just simply dragging the node. However, you can do so by clicking the border. In the new version, you can now add images and mermaid diagrams to the description. I tried with the image but was not successful. However, I am able to add mermaid diagrams. With that, it's a neat way to enhance your documentation and make your communication more visual. Node-RED 3.1 also allows you to declare global environment variables that are accessible across all flows. You can set this up in settings, giving your project more flexibility. Lastly, there is a new help icon in the node info dialog. Clicking it opens the help sidebar, providing quick look at the information about the node. So those are some highlights of Node-RED 3.1. If you want more details, you will find the complete release documentation in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Your support means a lot. Until next time, goodbye.